how to withdraw money on PU Prime. So if you want to withdraw money on PU Prime, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And from there, you need to just simply go with search. And from search, you need to search for PU Prime and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you've logged in, you need to go with the verification and make sure that your account is fully verified. It needs to undergo the third level verification so that you have the ability to withdraw. Now, if you haven't already, then just click on verify now and complete the process, which will be in the bottom. The level 1, which is account opening verification, go with verify now, and then go with the second level, which is ID verification. So make sure that these are verified. Now go with the home page. From the home page, you need to just simply go and choose the currency that you want to withdraw your money to PU Prime. Like for example, right now it's in the USD. If it is in any other currency, then you can just simply go and change it. Go with the drop down and change. And then there are 4 tabs right here: deposit, withdrawal, transfer, history. And of course, we're going to click on the withdrawal section. Here you need to select the account for your withdrawal. That's going to be the MT5 standard. You can leave it alone if that's going to be the default. You can choose accordingly. And of course, you can enter the amount here. Like for example, make sure the amount of your withdrawal should not be more than 0, because you need to make sure that your balance has enough funds for you to withdraw. And then on the right side, you will have a small information like request withdrawal and then select withdrawal method. You need to choose your preferred method for receiving the funds, ensuring it suits your needs. And all you have to do is just simply go with continue, which will be right here. And basically, that's how you can withdraw your money from PU Prime. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.